Okay, me and Paul, we're headed over to a new campus about 20 minutes away. This is actually our third trip. And I'm not videoing driving, Paul's driving. We're in this hybrid car. It was kind of funny trying to figure this thing out. We didn't know if the thing was running. We started out in a transit bus the other day carrying supplies over. Then we was like in a Explorer. Today we get this little old bitty hybrid car. We said next week we'll probably be in a golf cart. So, I mean, we just keep downsizing, maybe a go-kart, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to this new campus today to check it out, to see how it is. She just came yesterday. There's no custodian on campus there, so we're having to go back and forth between there and our campus. So check this out. Before I get started showing you the video part of this new facility that has been built that has a lot of glass in it. Did I mention that it has a lot of glass in it? You will see a lot of glass in it. Whoever they hired to clean this building's got a lot of glass to clean. And just wanted to kind of change things up a little bit because, you know, I don't really share a whole lot of things that we do and what you see, you know, from day to day. And there's a lot of different things that happen. And this is, you know, this is something different that Paul and I are doing today. And we made several trips down there, and we're actually going to make, you know, a couple more trips before we actually get somebody in there to take care of this facility. But it's a very nice facility that you will see here, and the machinery and all that. It's really like kind of being inside of a plant. And so any of y'all that clean a plant or anything, you may can relate to a whole lot of this that you see, machinery and different things, maybe the way it's set up. Just a really nice place. So just kind of check this out. I just kind of walked through the building and just kind of done some video and everything. Just got some music playing in the background. And I got a little closing comment at the end. So hope you enjoy. So we done a good bit of vacuuming and cleaning some restrooms and office cleaning. And then when Paul went through the building while I was doing some of that and picked up a lot of garbage, and I wonder where the world Paul went. I think I hear him in here. See what he's doing. Yeah, he's working hard. He has no idea I'm standing behind him. Should I scare him? I don't think I will today. Just gonna, hey Paul. Paul and I have come to a conclusion. We've been here 3.5 hours in this big old 30,000 square foot building, and we touched pretty much the surface of it. We cleaned some glass, not very much. We took out all the garbage, which was, how many loads you make? One big load. One big load. And yesterday was just the first day of class, so they think they're gonna put one person down here, which that might work, but we think they're gonna need 2 hard-working people. And we hope it ain't us.